we are here for the London live analysis. So we are just here to analyze the market. Guys, and to check if guys we can check if guys maybe we can get opportunities today, guys, in the market, guys. Yeah, if today we can get opportunities yeah, in the market. Yeah. So yeah, what's happening right now in the market? Yeah, I can see like what's happening in the market. So we have the gold market. We have gold, which is moving currently. Okay, guys. Let's see if we can have an opportunity today, guys, in the market, guys. So what I'm interested currently, so I'm having this GPPSD. So GPSD is going down. Yeah, GPSD is going down. So my area of interest, guys. So my area of interest is I need the market to touch my upper band. You see my upper band. So that is where my area of interest is, my upper band. So my upper band, can see the market. I need the market to touch my upper band so that I can look for opportunities to sell. Yeah. But right now the market, it has touched my lower band. So you can see the market already. It has touched my lower band. So here on the lower band here, maybe I'm expecting a bullish market. Yeah, I'm expecting a bullish market on this. And also maybe I can show you the gold. Yeah, gold. I don't know what's happening with gold, guys. I don't know what's happening with gold. Like gold is moving very, very slowly, guys. Like gold is moving very, very, very slowly. Like it seems that we don't have a volume with gold. It's kind of that we don't have volume with gold. Yeah, that's why you can see market is a bit slow. It's buying, selling. The market is buying, selling. But maybe during the London Open, we're gonna be having a true trend of the market. Maybe we're gonna be having a true trend of the market. So let's see what's happening. And also my another area of interest on the on GU, guys, is is this region. Can see. And also, guys, right now we understand that gold in a pound dollar, we're expecting a bullish movement on pound dollar. That's what we're expecting. Yeah, we're expecting a bearish movement because I showed you guys the other time. Yeah? Let me show you something. I showed you the other time that even if it's not the other time, it was last week. It was last week. Was it last week? This week? Yeah, I told you what I'm expecting in gold. Maybe I can zoom the screens like that. So you can see this is what is happening on on gold, on GU, sorry. So maybe I can draw a channel from here to here. Let me just connect the channel, you can see. So it means we are having here can see? We are having here a pullback. That's why you're seeing the market being rejected here, can see? That's why you're seeing the market being rejected here is because of the trend line. Are you together, guys? Maybe I can go to daily so that I can show you clear. See the chart on a daily time frame. So this, imagine it's on a daily time frame. This is on a daily time frame. That's what you can see. That's what you're seeing. The market is consolidating. Yeah. But here I'm expecting a very long sell. Yeah, very long sell here. Yeah, a very, very long sell. For someone who wants to do a swing trade. Then GPP buy is short term, but sell is long term. Sell is long term on a British pound dollar, guys. Yes. On the British pound dollar. Yeah, tell me, guys, where you're watching us from, guys. So we are just here to analyze the market, and also if we can get for example, we can get opportunity, we can trade. Yeah. Also, if we can get an opportunity today, we can trade. But this is what is happening on the gold market, on the euro dollar, guys. Yeah, this is on the euro dollar. So we can see, so you can just imagine, guys, here, one candle is 1 day. One candle forms after 1 day. So it's a daily chart. Yes, hi, yes, Alan. At Elan, yes. At Elan, yes. Tell me, guys, where are you watching us from? Yeah. Yeah, tell me, guys, where you're watching us from. At Elan Abdi, yes. Abdi, yes, Abdi. Yes, Abdi. How are you? Oh, Kenya, Kenya, yes. Yes. So we're just waiting here for the market. And the best thing which you can, and the best thing in which maybe you can support the market is this region, you can say. But this region is a bit tricky. Yeah, about you, I'm good. What about you? I'm from Kenya also. I'm from Kenya also. Yeah, I'm from Kenya. So this movement can see, but I think this one is the market has can see it has not taken the liquidity on a downtrend. So me, I need the market to take the liquidity here so that I can trade. Can see the liquidity has not been taken, which said, yeah, I'm in Nairobi. Yeah, I'm in Nairobi, guys. I'm in Nairobi, guys. Yeah. I'm in Nairobi, guys. Yeah, yeah. Very soon I'm starting an event. I want to start an event in Nairobi, guys. Yeah, last 2 months on January, I did an event in Pension Towers. Yeah, I did. I'm in Eldoret. Wow. Yeah, we can keep in touch. Yeah, text me on my Instagram. You can keep in touch. Abdi. Yeah. My Instagram is just my name of my of my YouTube. Yeah, just Newton Torres is my TikTok name is my uh my Instagram name. So my Instagram name is just Newton Torres. Yeah, so text me, then maybe you can discuss something, guys. We can discuss something, Alan. Okay, guys. So here, see what's happening here. I think what's happening here. So the market, this market, this market it has not taken the CPI. Let me show you guys. Today we are having a CPI, guys. Let me just show you guys. Today we are having a CPI. Let me show you guys. Let me just show you guys. Today we are having a CPI. Not yeah, CPI. Let me type Forex Factory so that I can show you Forex Factory. Yeah, today we are having a CPI. Today we are having a CPI. Let me type Forex. Not this one, sorry. Yeah, today we're having a news, guys. Today we're having a news. So I'm going to be showing you a news for today. So you can see, so this is what is happening today. So exactly at 3:30 p.m., we are having a CPI. Yeah, we are having are teaching trending. Yes. I don't know what you mean. What do you mean by teaching trending? Yeah, trend line. Do you mean trend line or trending? Yeah, guys, today we're having a CPI, you can see. Today we're having a CPI in the market. And so what you can do, so maybe I can show you guys how you can trade a CPI. I want to show you guys how to trade news. I want to show you guys how to trade news today. As we wait for our setups, guys, as we wait for our setups to confirm. Yeah, we're waiting just for our setup to confirm here. As we wait for our setup to confirm also on gold. Yeah, gold still the market. So let me go to the whiteboard. Let me go to the whiteboard. So I want to show you guys. So this is my Instagram name. Maybe you can text me. We can discuss later, guys. Abdi. Okay. So I want to show you guys how to trade news. This is our topic. As we wait for the market to confirm, we want to learn how to trade news. number one here, how to trade news. Yeah, we want to learn, guys, how to trade news. So, and guys, today we're having a news at what time? Yeah, because we are having a news today at 3:30 p.m. Yeah, we have seen the news is at 3:30 p.m. So maybe I can show you guys how to trade a news. So let's say here we have so news is, we have a CPI, and this CPI is what time? 3:30 p.m. 3:30 p.m. This is what we have in the news. So we're having a news of 3:30 p.m. So how do you trade the news? So what you do, you identify. So first you need to set your chart to 15 minutes time frame. Set your chart to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. You need to set your chart to 15 minutes time frame. So after you have set your chart to 15 time frame, you need to identify 3:15 p.m. candle. 3:15 p.m. candle, guys. So I want you guys that I want to show guys so that you can trade news at 3:30 p.m. So this is how you trade news at 3:30 p.m. So let's say this is a candle. I think, guys. Yeah, I'm trying to show guys how to trade news. How to trade a news. So let's say these are 3:15 p.m. candle. Let's say these are 3:15 p.m. candle. So let's say these are 3:15 p.m. candle. I just want to show you guys, because today we have news, and some of you might want maybe to trade news. Okay, so let's say this is a 3:15 p.m. candle. The news is at 3:30 p.m. But we want to trade news, the breakout. So this news, the market, we expect the market might go up or might go down. That's what we're expecting today on the news, guys. Are you together, guys? So so here you can see what you do, guys, you can set a buy stop here, and also you can set a sell stop here, just below the wick, 2 pips below it, below that wick. I think, are you together, guys? So the news is at 3:30 p.m. So we want to trade that news. So you need to mark the high and the low of the 3:15 p.m. candle. Are we together, guys? 3:15 p.m. candle. Mark high and low. So what next? So here you can set something called a buy stop order. A buy stop order. A buy stop order here. And here you can set a sell stop order. Sell stop order. So if when you set a buy stop order, use a stop loss you set below that wick. That's when you set a stop loss. Are you together, guys? You set a stop loss below that wick. Then a sell stop loss you set at this high of the wick. Because today we are expecting the market to go either to break uptrend like this, a very big candle like this, or this. Are you together, guys? Like this is our expectation today, guys. This is our expectation today on the news. So I'm trying to show you on the news. I'm trying to show you the news so that you guys can understand, guys. So that you guys can understand how to trade at the news, guys. So that you can understand how to trade the news. Let me remove this first. Okay, I think, guys. So this gold is trying to move down, but for us, we're looking for bullish movement on gold currently. So let's say we have this. So this is the gold. So we want to trade this gold. News maybe it can be called. So you set a buy stop order and you set a sell stop order. So the market might move in two ways, either uptrend or downtrend. So if the market is going to take your buy stop order, you need to delete your sell stop order instantly. Are you together, guys? Are we together, guys? If the market is going to take your buy stop order, you need to delete your sell stop order instantly. Like the way we did here on the news. Let me show you here on last week. Was it on a CPI? Let me show you. Ilikuwa juzi hapa the NFP. Yeah, it was NFP on Friday. Yeah, it was 4:30. Yeah, this one. So what I did here on NFP, you can see. What I did on NFP, I was able to set a buy stop order. So these are 4:15. So set a stop as buy stop and a sell stop. I think. So the market might move in two ways, either uptrend or down. So you can see my buy stop order was activated here. And that's how I take an advantage, because sometimes this news, guys, you don't know where the market is going to go. So you can use a buy stop and a sell stop order to identify the trend of the market. So if the market is going to take the buy stop, you delete your sell stop. Like here you can see my buy stop was taken. Here, my buy stop was taken. So I had to delete my sell stop. Are you together, guys? Yes, that's how you trade news actually. Like that's how you can actually trade news. Yeah, that's how you can actually trade news, by setting a buy stop and a sell stop order. Are you together, guys? By setting a buy stop and a sell stop order. Yeah, so that's how you can trade news today, guys. That's how you can trade, by setting a buy stop and a sell stop order. And you can target maybe 30 pips on currencies, or maybe 200 pips on gold. Yeah, on gold. So let's check what we are expecting today in the market, guys. What we are expecting today in the market. So let me set my Bollinger Band. You can see my Bollinger Band. It has been my Bollinger Band. You can see I've set my Bollinger Band here, and you can see on my Bollinger Band here, the market, it has touched the lower band. So what I'm expecting here at the moment, I'm expecting the market to go up, close here in the middle line here, to close with a bullish candle, like for example here, to go up and close with a bullish candle like that. Now I can consider a bullish market. Sorry, I can consider buy market. Are you together, guys? Yeah, so just wait for the market to close above the the middle line, the candle. Then stop loss, you need to set it here. Below that, below this week, this candle here. That is the stop loss. TP, we target times 2. So if the stop loss from here to here, I really don't understand. Show us how to set the buy stop and sell stop. I don't know how I can. I don't know how I can set. I don't know how I can. Because I'm using my phone to present here. I'm using my phone to present here. I don't know how I can set it. I don't know how I can show you guys. I'm using my phone to present the screen. And so maybe on your platform, guys, when you go to where we have the market execution, just on your platform, on the market execution. So when you click market execution, when you just open your trading view, or not your trading view, your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, there up we have something called market execution. So when you click on that market execution there up, you will have sell limit order, you'll have buy stop order, you'll have a sell stop order. So what is a buy stop order? So a buy stop order, it is an order to buy above the current market price. Maybe I can show you something here. So a buy stop order, it is an order to buy above the current market price. That's my buy stop order. That's my buy stop order. It is an order to buy above the current market price. Yeah. I think guys, from next week I'm gonna be improving on my on presenting. Yeah. I used to present. I used to share my screen using the OBS platform, to share the screen. But the problem is my audio, like, is not clear. The video is clear on using the PC, sharing my screen using the PC, but the audio. So I'm trying to improve on that. Maybe on the next session, I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm big. I want to learn how to trend, how to trade. Yeah. So I think Abdi, you can text me on just text me on my Instagram. Then we're gonna text me on my Instagram, Abdi. Yeah. Then maybe after this meeting, I'm gonna help you. Yeah, just text me on my Instagram. Just text me on my Instagram, and then I'm gonna help you guys. I'm gonna help you. Abdi. Yeah. Because right now, so that maybe I can help you to trade from afresh. Yeah. Because right now I'm just teaching you how to trade news. Maybe you are seeing these things are a bit complicated, but maybe if you text me, I'll get you maybe on my free time. I can help you. Okay, thanks. Yeah. So so Abdi, this is my Instagram name. You can just text me. This is my Instagram name. Same as my YouTube name. Yeah. Or you can text me this number. Or this is my number here. Yeah, just call me after the meeting. I'm gonna help you. Yeah, just call me. This is my number. Just call me. So this is my Instagram. This is my Instagram, and this is my number here. So you can just text me. Then I'm gonna help you. Then I'm gonna help you. Okay, let's continue, guys. So let me remove this. Okay. So we are having here, so a buy stop order. So we're talking about the buy stop order. So what is a buy stop order? So a buy stop order, it is an order to buy above the current market price. I together, guys, like you're buying above the current market price, like here. Let me show you in gold. Like gold, current price is where? Is here. Are you seeing? This is the current price of gold is here. So I can set a buy stop order where? Here. I think I can set my buy stop where? Here. So to mean I'm going to be buying above the current market price. So this is above the current market price. So I'm going to be buying above the current market price here. So let's say the news is going to happen in the next 15 minutes. So let's assume this let's assume this candle. Let me remove this first so that can be clear, guys. So let's say this is a 3:15 p.m. candles. Are you together, guys? Let's say this is a 3:15 p.m. candle, and the news is at what time? Is at 3:30, and this candle it is at 3:15 currently. So what you do, you can set a buy stop order here. So a buy stop order, it is an order to buy above the current market price. The current market price is here, but you are buying above the current market price here. Are you together? You are buying above the current market price. So to mean, and this day, so whenever you set a buy stop order, your order will be pending. Your order will be pending, guys. Your order will be pending. Then you just wait for the market to, if the market is going to break on upside, it's going to take you guys like that. So it's going to take your buy stop order. And if the market is going to take your sell stop order, also you take a sell stop order here. Because guys, we understand the market must move in one way. So today, the market of CPI, the market might go uptrend or downtrend. That is the fact, guys. Uptrend or downtrend. So you set a buy stop and sell stop. So if the market is going to take the sell stop order, you delete your buy stop order. Are you together? You delete your buy stop order. So how do you set the buy stop and sell stop order? So you just go on your platform, the MetaTrader 5, then go to market execution there, uptrend. On market execution up there, then click market execution, then choose buy stop and sell stop. So you're gonna fill your buy stop order. You're gonna fill here. Your buy stop order. You're gonna fill here. I think this value here. Just fill the value here. Buy stop order. So you just fill the value from the buy stop order. Then you set again the sell stop order. Then you wait. So before the news, you will already have two orders: your buy stop order and your sell stop order. You will have your buy stop order and your sell stop order. Are you together? So you'll have two options: your buy stop order and your sell stop, your buy stop order and your sell stop order. So just wait for the market. If the market is going to break high of your buy stop, then it's gonna take your buy. Then you can set a TP, or maybe you can be waiting to close the trade instantly. Yeah, that's so. So we are having a news at 3:30 p.m. guys. We are having the news at 3:30 p.m. today. So don't do you put a stop loss? Yeah, stop loss you set below the wick of this candle. So the buy stop, you set stop loss here. Sell stop loss, you set stop loss here. I think this figure here, you set a stop loss here. So make sure to set a stop loss here. Stop loss you set here. Above that wick. A buy stop loss you set here. Then you just relax. You wait for the market either to break uptrend or downtrend. If the market is going to break uptrend, well and good. Like last week, the way I traded, And also I've shown you guys. Let me just show you guys. Like this one. I think this one. This one is a news. So before this news your car, ulikuwa umeset already you had set your buy stop order and you had set your sell stop order. So where did the news went? The news went uptrend. So you had to delete your sell stop order because your buy stop order was executed. Are you together, guys? Because guys, the market will move in two ways, either uptrend or downtrend. That's the fact, guys. That is the fact. That's the fact. The market will move in two ways. So like here you can see our buy stop order was executed. Here, our buy stop order was executed. So maybe you can decide maybe to take a TP. So TP, you might set a TP, or maybe you can set a TP of 20 or 30 pips target. Because sometimes you don't know the news will go for how many pips. Maybe you can set 20 pips or 30 pips max stop loss. So if this market could move up down, I could delete my buy stop order. But because my buy stop order was executed, I had to delete my sell stop order. So that you don't have like two orders at the same time. But before the news, I had my sell stop order and I had my buy stop order. All of it was pending. It was not active. But when I had this big green candle going up, that's when my buy stop order was executed instantly. Yeah, so I had to delete what? I had to delete my sell stop order. And that's how you trade news, guys. Like trading news is so easy. Yeah, it's really so easy, guys. It's easy, guys. You don't need to complicate things. Like you just need to understand. The most important thing is where do you set your stop loss? So here, my stop loss was here for buy stop below this week candle, below the candle here. I think this. Or maybe I can set a red color. Maybe I can set a red color. Yeah, that was my stop loss. Here. My entry is here when we had a breakout. Are we together, guys? Where we had a breakout. Like that's how you trade CPI today. Yeah. So you need to set. So the news is at what time? You can confirm again. I see, guys. The news is at 3:30 p.m. You see, the news is at 3:30 p.m. So you need to mark high and low of 3:15 p.m. candle. So 3:15 p.m. candle is our most determinant. Like here. Yeah, our 3:15 p.m. candle is our most determinant. Like here. See. So the last candle before news it, okay, is our area of interest. Are you together, guys? Are you together at that point? So just set a buy stop order and a sell stop order. The last candle, and we are using a 15 minutes time frame, guys. We are using a 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, we are using a 15 minutes time frame. Are you together, guys? So we are using a 15 minutes time frame for our entries. So we just set a buy stop order, and so you can see here our buy stop order was taken. So we had to delete our sell stop, and that's how we made a profit. And that's how we were able to make a profit. I think it's just that simple, guys. So I have said you can go to your MetaTrader 5 platform. There up we have a place called market execution. So just type the just click buy stop order and you fill this. And whenever you're filling this, make sure you understand the price. Where are you intending to buy? Like here you can see the price here. This price here, you can feel this price here. I think this price 1.3396. So 1.3396 is where you set a buy stop order. Kindly, can you be with us to say the before the news? Yeah, I think that's live. Yeah, I'll be live. I'll be live during that time. Yeah, I'll be live. Yeah, I will be live. Yeah, I'll be live. Yeah, don't worry, I'll be live. I'll try to be live that time. Yeah, that's how you trade, guys. That's how you trade the news. Yes, that's how easy. Very, very easy, guys. It's very, very easy. Yeah, very, very, very easy, guys. So yeah, and also so that is about the news. So about our strategy, guys. About our strategy is we're still holding this gold. See this gold, but the market went around 200 pips in the morning. Yeah, we got an entry here in the morning. We're able to get that trade in the morning at this point. When the market broke above the 13 MA, then boom, the market went up. So I think, guys, we can stop at that point. I think we can stop at that point because it already is 11 and I'm about to head somewhere. Yeah. But what you can do, guys, for GBPUSD, guys, for people who are trading Bollinger Bands, for people who are trading Bollinger Bands here, I can see. Yeah. So we have two options here. We have two options for people who are trading Bollinger Bands. Already the market has given us a buy stop. Not a buy stop, sorry. The first confirmation, it may touch the lower band. So if this market is going to go back and close above the middle line, then we're gonna buy. Stop loss gonna set below here. And also another entry is if this market gone again, we're gonna go up to this region, touch the lower band, then also you can sell below the middle band. Yeah. That's what we are looking today, guys, on the market. This is what we are looking today on the market. Yeah. So guys, so I think let's meet maybe at the news time, guys. Let's meet at news time, then we see what to do next. Yeah. Because of time, I think I can stop at that point. Then we meet each other in the next session, guys. Yeah, I've made it clear, guys. Yeah, don't trade gold right now. Gold right now, don't trade. Only focus on GBPUSD because gold, it gave us an opportunity during the midnight. So, but right now we're focusing on currencies. So GBPUSD moves at this time. Yeah, okay, guys. See you guys on the next session, guys. Bye-bye.